In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your bio to your agent profile page. So when you go to the Meet the Team or our team page, if you do not see a photo, or maybe you have a photo and you want to change it to a newer version, this is how you're going to do it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your IDXBroker dashboard. There should be a link that you can use to log into that, but if you can't find it, you can go to IDXBroker and you can click on login right here, and this will take you to the login screen. If you don't have your username or password, please just request it and we will send it to you. So now that I'm logged in, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to click on bio, and I'm going to click on photo. And so here's where you're going to add your photo. You don't need to put a URL in here, you can literally just click on upload photo. If you already have a photo in here, please make sure you delete it first and then save it. Look for the save message and then click on upload photo. Once you click on upload photo, you can click on choose file, and then you can go to wherever your file is saved and click on it, then hit submit, and it will update here, and then make sure you click save changes. Then you're going to want to refresh your profile page and make sure the photo is updated on that page. To edit or add your bio, you're going to go to the Account Contact tab. Scroll down and you're going to see your bio right here in the bottom. If you don't have anything in here, you can paste something in here, type something in here. We don't recommend that you paste from Word, but if you do happen to paste your details from Word, please come in and select all and then click on this little sweeper, which will clean up any messy code and take any code out of there. So you can come in and you can add any additional information if you want. You can say, click here to visit my Facebook page, and highlight the text that you want. Choose the chain link option. Put your link in here. And I would open it in a new window and insert. If you have any other things you want to add, this is just like a Word document. It's a WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. So whatever you change in here is going to show up on your bio. So if I refresh this, now you're going to see that the link is now added in here. So one other thing I want to show you is to make sure that your information is correct in here. If you have a cell phone, you may want to opt in to your SMS alerts, which is basically going to alert you when you have a new phone. As soon as you hit the Save Changes button, it is going to send you a text message that tells you you've opted into text message alerts. And there mine is, right there. If you have any other changes you want to add, make sure your phone number does have dashes in or is formatted correctly, because that's exactly how it's going to show up on the site. You can change your address, add your home phone, fax, or any other details that you want in here. Change the way your name is displayed, your title, and you can change your password if you want to change your password. If you don't have the ability to change your password, if there is no extra password in here, then you have to send an email to your admin to change any passwords. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, pero yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ah.